The following tape, which you are about to see, was recovered during the summer of '89 and was only one of many found across Texas from 1974 to 1990. This tragedy befell two siblings going on a road trip to see their relatives for the summer. The Lynn family car has never been seen again. If you have any information as to the whereabouts of the suspects seen in the tape, please call local authorities. The horrendous scene found in the abandoned home was one of the most bizarre cases in all of law enforcement history. The gruesome sight inside could only be described as a Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Hey Mary, you remember that one time when Dad fell off the lawnmower and almost cut his damn head clean off?
Around here is good. You can stop the car soon, or whenever you like.
Around here?
Well, that's what I said, isn't it, mister?
Okay, I got you.
Everyone always making me repeat myself is all.
And we're here.
Well, hey, I just want to thank y'all for the ride. Yeah! I got it. You can come inside and we'll cook for you. And you can meet my brothers.
Well, you don't gotta worry about that. We were headed this way anyway.
No, really, it's getting dark and dangerous out there. Y'all should just come on in.
No, I think we're okay. We got ourselves a long ways to go, so we're gonna have to part ways right here. But look, it was nice meeting you. What'd you say your name?
Get on this then, you dog dick! What's the matter, Mary? You don't like this song?